Well, hello my friends, my name is Jose and I am here with Cherubim Coffee, and today I'm gonna show you two of my favorite ways to prepare our flavor coffee that you guys are going to love. Okay, so in a lot of the videos that I put together, I usually make our drinks with a pour over, or I make a French press, or I make them an espresso. Sometimes it's very complicated, and I realize that a lot of you guys have just regular coffee makers. So the very first drink that I'm gonna make is going to be a very simple latte. And this is, if you guys don't have an espresso machine, you guys can still make this at home. And so right now I have just a little bit of milk. I have our flavor coffee, and this one is the Heaven's Recipe, which has coffee liquor flavor, caramel, and vanilla. It's our best seller. People love this one. And so I'm gonna use about 3 tablespoons for this one. And we're gonna make it even with our conventional coffee maker. So this milk has been microwaved for about 30 to 40 seconds. And I have on the side of this little coffee maker, if you guys can see it, it's a little frother right here. It's super simple. You guys can actually get a separate one on Amazon for about like $20. But even if you guys don't have that, you don't need to froth your milk. It just gives it a lot of texture. And so I'm just gonna froth it real quick. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I'm going to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee, of our Cherubim coffee, and this one is already grounded. So I'm just gonna put it straight into our filter. And so for this one, I'm just gonna tell it to make about 4 ounces. You can make probably 6 ounces is even still good. And look at how good that is looking right now. I almost don't want to mix it right now because it looks so good, but you guys are gonna want to mix it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here to the side because it looks so good right now. And the next drink that we're gonna make is going to be just similar to this one, but it's gonna be a nice latte. I'm gonna put a little bit more coffee and a little bit less milk on this one, but I fill up my cup, or my mason jar in this case, with a lot of ice. 1 to 2 tablespoons on this one. If you have the option on your coffee maker, you want to make the drip a little bit slower than usual. This is because it's going to make the coffee a little bit darker, a little more intense. And there you have it. You want to top this one off with a little bit more ice. And I actually enjoy this one just black like this. It tastes really good. But if you guys prefer, you can add a little bit of creamer, milk, whatever you guys enjoy in your coffee. Look at that. So now the last thing you guys want to do is just stir your coffee and enjoy. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoy your coffee. Make sure to check out Heaven's Recipe flavor coffee in our store. Check it out, and thanks for watching.